Hi, my name is Muhammad Ahmad Kamal bin Shahidan. My matrix number is 01 DEE25F1153.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Adi Haikal. My matric number is 01 DEE 25F 1152.
So, for the safety precaution, we need to ensure the condition of the multimeter is safe to use. Always start with the highest voltage or current range. Make sure to hold the probes properly. Never apply power to the circuit while measuring resistance with a multimeter. Adjust the 0 ohm reading after changing resistance range. And before making a resistance measurement, we need to make sure to switch it off after finishing with multimeter use. If there is no off position, switch the multimeter to the highest voltage position.
Okay, firstly we put the positive probe on the right side and negative probe on the left side. And then we put the resistor on the project board, same like the example. And then we put the crocodile clip on the channel A that is positive, and we put the crocodile clip on the channel B that is negative. So the voltage range that we use is 10. Okay, firstly we measured the V total and we make sure it get the voltage that we want. It is 9 voltage. Then we measured the V1 and we got 3.6 voltage. After that, we measured the V2 and we got 5.4 voltage.